Hi guys, I wanted to give you an update on the grid bots. So I'm going to look at this Bitcoin one. So let's have a look at the updates. Come up to this menu point here, which is the burger menu. Click on that. And then what I'm going to do is open the grid bot price chart. So that will open up a pop-up like this. So first off, you'll see that we've put this start date. These two lines are grayed out at the moment because that's past data before you started your bot. And then at this point is where the bot was started. The green line is the buy price and the sell line is the red price. A bit like when you look on a trading chart. So if we look at Bitcoin's chart, for example, you'll see that there's a ask price, which is what people are selling, and then there's the bid on what people are buying. Okay, and they'll always be different. They won't be exactly the same. It's got what they call a spread in between. So that's what we've illustrated here. Now, you'll also see that there's some little circles on the chart there and an arrow. And you'll see here, this one's a perfect one. You've got this green circle and a green arrow, and then you've got this red dotted line. So what does that mean? So what it means, if we put this to the grid, the bot wanted to buy at this point here, where this circle is, but time the order went through, for whatever reason, liquidity or delay in the blockchain or whatever, the actual price was slightly above where it wanted to buy. So the bot adjusts the sell grid. So the sell grid for this one would have been somewhere around this red line up here. But you can see now that the sell price is slightly above what the grid is showing us. Okay. Now with a DEX grid bot, it's not like a Binance one where you're dealing with API keys, because you can put in limit orders, because a grid bot on a centralized exchange puts in limit orders and they get executed at that exact price. Where with decentralized, we're not putting in limit orders, we're watching the price and then we're sending a signal via a smart contract saying that we want to buy in. Now, if there's other people buying, or the liquidity drops in the liquidity pools, or the routing that PancakeSwap uses, we don't always get to buy where we want to buy. But the bot will buy because it's within inside the grid. And sometimes what happens is the sell price could be outside the grid. So as you can see over here, it wanted to buy at this green line here. It's slightly bought there. But the sell price, instead of being on that red line, it's moved up to the next one. And if you look on the pop-up that we've got there, it tells you the date when it bought. It tells you what the sell price would be, what the buy price would be. It tells you the grid bot number, which is grid number 2. It's also telling you how much it bought for, which was $20, and at the price and what the profit level needs to be for it to make a profit. So that's the updates that we've made to the grid bot chart. If we come up the top and I create a new grid bot, so looking at the grid bot settings, we've put in this safeguard to stop you putting in too many grids. So if I was to put this down to $50, you can see if I put $50 in there, it's saying to me that the lot size would be $5. Well, the minimum trade that the DEXBot can do is $10. So if I wanted to trade with $50, I would have to put in 5 lots in there, and then you see it turns green. Now, if I put in 50, it's going to say, well, they're $1, and you'll see that this is grayed out, so I won't be able to save it. So if you see that pumping on the screen there, you can see that it's telling me that there's something wrong. And if you hover your mouse over there, you can see that there's a little tooltip that comes up that says, note, the minimum lot amount is 10, and I've got it set for 1. So if I've got $50, I could put in 5, then that would do the 5 lots, okay? And it shows the grids on here. So that change that we've done there is to help prevent you setting up a bot with too many grids and it's trying to trade with a lower price. And you can see now that because I've got the right amount in there and the bot's happy with that, I'll be able to save it. You've also got this grid symbol, which tells you that the price has gone outside your grid range. So that means the bot won't trade. So as you can also see that you've got your realized profits, and if you hover your mouse over there, it's telling you from the allocated funds, it's used $80 so far. So 40% of $80 is 32. You'll also see here the sell value, which is the unrealized profit, because it's in red. And if you look at this box here, you can see it's got the sell value now is in green. So that's an unrealized profit. This will not be realized until it's popped up to here. Okay, but that's just to give you an idea of what's realized and unrealized profit or loss. So I just wanted to shoot you that quick video to tell you about the updates that we've done to the gridbot. I will be making some videos later on in the week to show you how to set up the gridbot. If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register, and if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% are bought back, broke even basically, and then we've got 1.1% of negative trades, means that they made a loss, but 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.